Good morning. I'm Jennifer M. Garcia, Teacher 3 at Porac National High School, Porac, Pampanga. I previously handled grade 8 students for 4 years. My study entitled The Development and Evaluation of Module in Mathematics 8. This study sought to develop a module in Mathematics 8. Specifically, it aims to first, how may the module in Mathematics 8 be developed? Second, how may the module in Mathematics 8 be evaluated in terms of content, design or format, and pedagogical? Here's the process on developing the module in Mathematics 8. Table 1 shows the K-12 Basic Education Program Curriculum Guide for Grade 8 Mathematics, which was directed by the DepEd Order 43 Series 2013. It was used by the researcher in developing the content of the module. It composed of content standards, performance standards, learning competencies, code, and learning materials. The researcher used the content to identify the scope of the module. Then, the content standard were the basis of developing the content of each lesson. However, performance standards were used as objectives in creating the activities, assessments, and enrichments in the module. Table 1.1 shows the lessons in each unit of the module in Mathematics 8. The lessons contained in the module were based on the learning competencies in the K-12 Basic Education Program Curriculum Guide for Grade 8 Mathematics. The researcher used those lessons in creating module as an intervention material. Table 1.2 shows the corrected parts of the module in Mathematics 8. The researcher collected and listed down all the comments, suggestions, and corrections in the first draft of the module by the evaluators. The corrections found in the first draft are on the second column as shown in the table 1.2. They were used to further improve the module. Here's the results in evaluation of the module in Mathematics 8. Table 2.1 shows the final evaluation on the content. All the evaluators rated statements as yes. The result shows that all the topics written on the modules were assessed to be acceptable and easy to understand. The math teacher commented that the content of the module is suitable and meet the students' level of understanding and development. Also, the OIC commented that the content was very comprehensive. It implies that the module was suitable as an intervention material. Table 2.2 shows the final evaluation on the design or format. All of the evaluators rated statements as yes. The result indicates that the format of the module was designed as an easy to proofread material. The master teacher commented that the font size was readable. However, the LRDS coordinator suggested that it increase the font size on solving part. All the recommended corrections and revision were applied. Table 2.3 shows the final evaluation and the pedagogical. All of the evaluators rated statements as yes. The result shows that the objectives, assessments, and other activities were all directed on one goal. The strategy used on the module was effective in tracking each learner's progress. And 2.4 the table 2.4 shows the final evaluation of the topics to be included in the module in Mathematics 8. All the topics in the module were rated essential by them. The results shows that the lessons were relevant to the grade 8 learners. For the conclusion, the topics included in the module in Mathematics 8 was based on Curriculum Guide for Grade 8 Mathematics, which was directed by the DepEd Order 43 Series 2013. The results from the evaluation show that All the topics written on the modules were assessed to be acceptable and easy to understand. The format of the module was designed as an easy to proofread material. And the last one, the objectives, assessments, and other activities were all directed on one goal. The strategy used on the module was effective in tracking each learner's progress. Based on the evaluation results of the study, it is recommended for grade 8 mathematics utilization in addressing learning gaps of the students. For the future researchers, the two items are recommended. First, consult IT expert for a better module layouting. Second, test the validity of the module to assure its effectiveness. Thank you.